Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DRich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, DRich.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the DRich Show. This is DRich and today is Thursday, October 14th, 2021. How's everybody doing today? I hope that you all are well and that this video finds you all in good health, good spirits, and good energy. Welcome back for another video. Thank you for tuning in to yesterday's video. Had some interesting comments, things like that, which were graciously appreciated. So if I was able to respond to you, thank you for responding back and things like that. And I love communicating with all of you, so thank you for doing that. And most definitely, there was a comment in one of the other videos regarding someone leaving me information to go look out a video, or which is coming from Free Air. If you are listening to me today, I did go check out Simply Bitcoin. I will be getting into some of their content, trying to understand Bitcoin a little bit better or more. Not that I don't understand it, but I just gotta feel why I need to look into Bitcoin a little bit further. And instead of ignoring it, I have my hang-ups, but that's just that. So anyway, for those folks who've come on the journey, thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing to the channel as well. And for those folks who have been here, you guys are always appreciated. So thank you so much for continuing to support the channel. So anyway, on today's video, we're going to be talking about the LA Blockchain Summit, which is actually coming up here shortly within the next several weeks. Want to give you guys some information on that, how to claim $25 of free cryptocurrency. And most definitely today, on today's video, we're going to be talking about data, DTA, their Twitter feed, obviously, and their network on their on their website. So we're going to go to that. We're going to look into it, and then we're going to look into one of the partnerships that is interesting, to say the least. Most definitely, this has been on the radar for me, as far as wanting to report on it. However, the lack of reporting on it is only limited to the scope of not being able to get my hands on any. So this is for those folks who are able to track it down, get a hold of it, and if there's something that I might need to do with MetaMask or Sushi Swap, or one of those type of swap networks, please let me know after listening to the video. But without further ado, let's not waste too much time. Let's get right into the crypto market cap, which is a dominance of Bitcoin 45.2%, Ethereum 18.7%, with a global crypto market cap of 2.38 trillion, which is a 3.36% increase over the last day. And here you see some trending tokens, big as gainers, recently added. And I know that on my videos I have half of this cited out. OBS has really taken a poor turn for me. For you folks who've been listening to me with the audio, it sucks, I get it. Some of these things have taken a drastic turn where I can't do things. So when I get a little bit more time, I'm going to correct it and rectify it. So, bear with me. Bitcoin, $57,728.58. It did breach 58,000, just a little bit over in the wee hours of the morning. And then Ethereum, $3,817.62 there, with BNB at 475.48, and that's sitting at number 3 with a $79 billion market cap. And Cardano, $2.21 at number 4 spot, as well as XRP jumping back up to $1.14 at number 6 there. So again, we had an opportunity to get into XRP under $1. If you guys were not able to get in, Here's still an awesome buying opportunity for XRP. Solana at $153.21, posted at number 7, while Polkadot is moving up further, $40.65. So there's that move that Polkadot was looking to be had, up 15, almost 16% in the last 24 hours, while USDC still trending at the $32.7 billion market cap, as well as Dogecoin running out the top 10, 23 cents, 23 and a half cents there. So still a great buying opportunity for Doge hodlers. And here we are, we see some green, some red in the market, most definitely. Chainlink moving up a little bit there. Algorand up 8%. And then you got Stellar XLM, which was close to 38 cents last night as well. And most definitely great buying opportunity for it. And let's just take a stroll down before we get into today's video. Okay, H-bar making some tries there, 39 cents. Looking to hit 40 cents there again. And most definitely Quant is back on the move. So, sometimes when things stall out and they trade sideways, they go up and down. I think that wash trading is what people are doing, making profits, making gains, rebuying, reloading, and things like that. So don't get discouraged by Quant being only $2.97. I can remember when I was purchasing it at $9. So at the end of the day, sometimes you just got to be patient a little bit longer, but most definitely take profits on the way up. So anyway, folks, let's just go ahead and get into it. LABlockchainSummit.com here. You can go ahead and get yours, which is $25 worth of crypto giveaway and airdrop, which I will be doing after the video. I've already signed up for the registration for this free event, which is worldwide online. So if you want to learn some things, improve on your IQ when it comes to cryptocurrency, blockchain, your knowledge, go ahead and set yourself up with this. The link in the description will be there for you. Most definitely, it's always good to get into the mode of learning and embracing this technology, this new asset class, and those folks who are in the know, those who are working behind the scenes, things like that. You'll get some firsthand knowledge and firsthand information. I know I presented it to you previously on the last blockchain summit, and there were some very key figures, interesting figures that came on board or online, and it's a neat perspective. So here are some of their partnerships there. Okay, and then there are going to be some streaming partners, so it'll be streaming on Theta TV there, and then some others. Okay, and most definitely you can check this all out for yourselves and most definitely get involved. Okay, so anyway, today we're going to be leading off with data, which is DTA, which is 1556 on the market cap rank, and this is on CoinGecko.com, and you can check out their contract information. It's on MetaMask there, so I think I can add it to MetaMask. I will do that. And then website, which is data.eco, white paper, Explorers, Etherscan, and Explorer. And then you can also find their community on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and BitcoinTalk.org. And their source code is on GitHub. And here is some of their tokens, which is part of the Cosmos ecosystem. And most definitely, we're going to take a peek into that because I'm very bullish on Cosmos Atom as well. So being that it's on MetaMask, I will make sure that I do that because here I have the MetaMask app or wallet to do so. So I will be most definitely doing that, trying to figure this out, because on this particular page we're going to find out where it is listed on what exchanges. DTA price right now is not even nothing. So again, you put $100, I'm pretty sure you're going to get a pretty large stack of your investment. And here is some trading value, which is not a lot, which is $418,000. and you have a 24-hour low and high there, and most definitely it's not going up too much or too high. And then you got a 7-day low, 7-day high as well. And then you have an all-time high of 5 cents, which was about 3 years ago. You got an all-time low March 13th of 2020, which was about a year ago there. And most definitely where it's at now to 5 cents. That's some good return on your investment, even if it gets to 5 cents again, 6 cents. Okay, so here over the last year is down 10.4%. And here are the exchanges that it is listed on, which is Huobi Global, or Huobi Global. I don't have access to the exchange because I'm a United States citizen, and it won't grant me access. So if those folks are able to get this exchange or get on this exchange and buy data or DTA, you're going to find out why I do believe that it will be something that should be held in your portfolio. That's just me, my opinion. I don't have any yet, but most definitely want to report on it so that we can actually put that idea or put this on our bucket list of cryptocurrencies or digital assets that we want to get into. So again, we want to go ahead and check out their Twitter feed. Most definitely give them a follow. And if you're on Twitter, you can give me a follow as well at DRich5531. Most definitely I will respond to your messages if you message me, things like that. Okay, so I'm all for communication and being able to try to help folks along the way with some of the knowledge that I might have. If I don't understand something or don't know something, I'm not going to take any guesses at it. I'm going to research it and do my due diligence. So here's with data, Clayton officials forms new strategic partnership, okay, with OpenSea as a strategic partner of Clayton Data, which is empower B app and on Clayton will cooperate with Clayton and exploring DeFi and NFTs. So there's that there. Most definitely, if you accidentally sent DTA native from exchange to your ETH wallet, you can find DTA native back according to following steps. So most definitely check that out. And I do believe we're going to look at this here, which is some ecosystem of Clayton, things like that with that chart there. But yeah, here is this their Twitter feed for all of the latest and greatest news. You can check all of that information out. Check it out for yourselves. That will be in the description as well. And now we want to move over to their website here. This is data.eco, Decentralized AI-Powered Trust Alliance. Data is a blockchain-based digital data authentication protocol powered by AI and peer-to-peer mobile storage infrastructure. And as you can see, the mouse here forming this thing here, which is, it's kind of, this website is pretty dope. Okay, and you can see me moving this stuff around. It'll form like a big globe of some sort. As you see it, just stay, if you posture it still. Okay, you can check out their white paper draft and the one pager. There's some problem solutions, technology, their partners, and their team here, and some news. So let's just jump right into it. So some of the problems that they're solving: players in digital ecosystem do not trust each other. Okay, so you got the advertiser, all right, and you got the middle layer agencies, DSPs, exchanges, ad networks, SSPs, and then you have the publisher, then the user, okay? So then we go to this number one, limitation of centralized internet advertising bureau. The middle layer grows in size, creating loopholes for bad players that manipulate the system for the game. And then you have severe ad fraud, which is more than 40% of online ads traffic, bot traffic, which costs the advertiser $16 billion annually. And then third, you got monetization and user experience dilemma. Users rarely get rewarded from ads, which drives 600 million devices to use ad blocking, hence decrease efficiency of the ecosystem. And then here are some of the solutions with DTA. You got ad flow from advertised ad network DSPs to publishers, developers, and then to the end users. Then you also have data flow from user device to peer-to-peer based mobile storage M3 SDK protocol transforms individual devices into nodes of M3. And then you also now have the token flow from data network to users, publishers, developers, and data nodes. Data network also validates data and issues tokens to relevant contributors. So I think that if you are into this project, I'm going to look into it a little bit further to see if we can actually create a node with DTA, data system flow. You got the advertisers again, ad network, DSP, and you can check out this graph here and how that looks when it comes to this. Okay, so here's the technology. Data technology stack is composed of 4 layers. You got number 1, which is a peer-to-peer mobile storage layer. Number 2, which is the blockchain layer. 3 is the SDK management layer, and number 4, application process layer here. So you got fraud prevention, micropayment, ad exchange, and others. And then most definitely you can check out this graph here on the right as well. And then here are some investors and partners that we want to go over, which is some very interesting ones. Here you got these all here. The one that stood out to Health Goat the most, which he presented to me, and now I'm able to present it back to you all, which is Arrington XRP Capital. And if you are a listener to the channel, you know that we go XRP, or we just don't do too much after that. So XRP is all over the place, and you know, sometimes we want to check out those partnerships. And then you got innovation and partners, which is 120 plus million active users on the monthly. And then you got 2,000 plus developers, and then you got 50 plus industry partners. And here are some other ones here as well. Okay, so check that out. You can check that out because a lot of people are looking for partnerships and they're looking for connections and things like that. And then here are some more industry and partners as well. And then here you got in the news back in 2018, things like that. So you can check out all of what they were talking about in 2018 there with some articles for yourself to read. And then here you want to go ahead and check out their team. You might know some of these folks, I don't, but most definitely, you know, it looks like a talented group of individuals working on a project that will have some sort of benefit here as we get to the next article. And here are some of the advisors. Michael Arrington, which I do know of, he is the founder of TechCrunch, and an American founder and former co-editor of TechCrunch, and the founder of Arrington XRP Capital. So again, here we are with some people that we know of, and most definitely we want to take a peek into this project. Okay, I'm not saying that you should get into it or just rush into it. This is never financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Most definitely, we just want to give you a presentation on some things that could benefit you in the long run. So again, check out their website, do your due diligence, continue to research this project, and I want to hear what you all have to say about it. If there's some good things, some bad things, some indifference towards it, I would like to hear it all, because I'm open ears, and you know what, I don't really get offended by too much. So therefore, you know, it's all good collaboration there. And here is a article from Bitrazi, which is the last article of the day, and then we'll wrap up the video. On data, Decentralized AI-powered trust alliance, Arrington XRP Capital made its second Chinese investment in data, which is DTA. A quick take on this soon-to-be great company. See, when you soon-to-be great, you put that out there, then you have some big expectations and some high, high goals of this thing actually being successful. So after a couple of US-based investment avenues such as Ripple, XRP, Propy, Pro, and Storecoin TechCrunch, founder Michael Arrington, XRP Capital is now looking eastwards investment avenues of the 100 million fund are now also based in Asia. And recently on January 17th, I believe this is 2018, the fund announced its investment into Data DTA, which is a Chinese-based blockchain vendor. And this is the fund's second Chinese investment. So let's understand what the soon-to-be great company is offering that got Michael Arrington so excited to be part of it. DTA is essentially targeting the middle layer in the ad space, and Data is here to, address the limitations of the centralized internet advertising bureau, curb severe ad fraud, and reward users' attention on ad consumption. So they're going to be tackling that. So he's excited about that there. And then here are the team and advisors again. And then here, what makes Data different from BAT, which is the basic attention token. And you can check that out here for Data versus BAT. All right. So they got some good solid stuff, looking at the entire internet, and then most definitely looking at things that are managed by community. And most definitely, I just want to leave you with that tidbit there. I do think that if I can figure out this MetaMask approach, I will do that. I think what I need to do is just copy this and then post it into my MetaMask here, and then hopefully I can add that token to MetaMask and be able to get into that. But anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know that the videos have been shorter, and I think that it serves me well to do short videos, which is precise, concise, and on to the point where I'm not lingering on with extra nonsense. So anyway, hit the like button, hit the thumbs up, hit the rumble button, and if you're on any of the podcast platforms, thank you for listening to me there. I appreciate it. I do see the views and the listens over there, so I just want to make sure you guys are acknowledged as well. And if you guys are all new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 1,000, so let's go ahead and push 900 first, and then most definitely move towards 1,000 subs here on the channel. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. Have a great rest of your Thursday. God bless. Take care. And as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.